What is up, beautiful people of the internet? I go by the name of Wesley, and today we are reacting to more Sidemen again, and I am intrigued and perplexed by the title of this video, Sidemen Hide and Seek on a Private Jet. I'm scared of flying. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. When I'm in those giant-ass commercial jumbo jets flying across the continental US usually, I'm scared. I'm scared to get up and like lean too hard one way, because in my tiny pea brain, somehow, some way, I think that's going to like put the plane off balance. So I have no idea how you get up to shenanigans in a plane this small. It's going to give me anxiety. Where is there to hide? I don't know. Let's find out together, guys. Subscribe down below for more reactions, and let's hit it.
Welcome back to more Sidemen. We're doing a hide and seek on a private jet. Obviously, you can't hear us now, but yeah, you're seeking first. Yes, let's get it.
It's a pretty big-ass private jet, huh? It's a pretty big-ass Sidemen, huh? This is really cool. Why is a private jet such a flex? It just is so cool.
Where are you hiding?
I'm scared of flying, and I would still love to fly on a private jet.
What am I hiding?
Oh, and they're drinking, playing hide and seek. You would think that's a fun combo. It is, except when you're the seeker and you're too buzzed and you can't find anybody. And then it's just lonely. Oh, no shoes.
9, 8, 7,
Are the flight attendants helping?
5. Where the fuck are you going?
There's nowhere to hide, bro. I would be sad. How are they running around so much?
You just sit there the whole time. I'm just staying here.
KSI's just vibing. Dude, this is so trippy. I'd be scared to like move an inch
I'm coming.
in a plane this small.
Coming.
Are all the snacks and drinks complimentary? They have to be, right?
Someone. Who's this? Get me. Who is it? Simon.
Harry's got by far the hardest job, because after you've seen kind of where everybody hides, I doubt people are going to come up with like super different hiding spots, you know?
Yes. But now what? Because do I just keep going? Okay. Let me pass.
Oh, Vic's safe.
All right. Are you? Oh, I feel more.
Never mind.
Yes. I found another.
Shouldn't have been shaken,
Found
brother.
another. All right, 2 down, 4 to go.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, that Conor McGregor pullback, baby. Ooh. Just barely. Nice. Oh, he heard you, though. He heard you, though. Dude, how are you moving so much in this plane that's so small?
Oh, who's this? Yes, I found someone. Wait, is that 1 or 2?
It's me, lads.
Oh, it's you.
I'm coming past me.
If you get caught,
This is
by the
Ethan
way,
coming past me.
Yeah, we get caught, go out. Who's left to get? You got JJ. Josh,
JJ's just
Toby.
hanging. He's not even going to want to leave. He's just going to want to stay.
Oh, it's you again. Yeah. Oh, dear.
It's honestly not working that badly.
Oh, I got someone. Who's this? Oh, it's JJ.
It's just new from his hair.
Right.
Or Harry can see this whole time and he's just faking.
Is it still you?
You blew your whole cover, Harry. What?
Get off me, fam.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Oops! 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 I love that they all left their little drinks laying out for Harry to slap over and spill throughout the jet. Like we couldn't have gathered up the cocktails, boys, and brought them to the back. They're like, no, we have to keep drinking while we're playing. That's the only thing calming our anxiety as we jump around this private jet. Honestly, kind of slick, Josh. Honestly, kind of slick. That was a move I expected of Toby. Oh, wow. What?
Alright, who's left? Just Josh. Just Josh. Can I have a clue? Just say Marcus. Marco!
Josh is really good. That was kind of impressive, huh? You guys told me on the last video that this is a camera guy that it's not Ethan, right? He looks so much like Ethan. Like, they are twins, and you're not going to convince me that it's not just Ethan, and he's lying to everybody. He's just lying. He just likes working the camera sometimes, and he adopts a persona. His on-camera persona is Ethan and Bazinga. I don't care. You can show me video and pictures of them together. It's all edited. They're the same person. Facts.
Where? What? Marco? He didn't say it, so he must be near here. Oh. Yes!
Do you imagine she's like, no, I'm JJ. He's like, oh, okay.
That was incredibly hard.
Josh did really well.
Oh shit, here we go again.
I'm surprised he maneuvered that much in a little jet.
What's the game plan?
That's the game plan.
You're looking at it.
There's fucking nowhere to go, bro.
It's really not. Who came up with this idea? It's just like a flex. Oh.
I just got someone.
Oh, Ethan's gonna lose his.
You're fine.
You're very girthy, Zerka.
At least Josh didn't snitch, right? It looks like he's at the club trying to grind up on him. Josh is a real one trying to still help him out. How is that girl even trying to ignore them right now? It's like, good luck.
Ow! 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 I can't defend myself. Anyone in my spot?
So it's really like just blindfolded tag, eh?
Nobody's getting past.
It's just me here.
Hello.
He's got the wingspan just like the jet.
Or are you a hiding
Wingspan is wide as the jet.
Yes! Because he said it's just him here. Oh, you dog! What's happening? What the fuck? What was that? What was that? That's someone's head.
Is that someone's head? Duh.
Oh, it's me! I heard someone run.
JJ's still just chilling.
If you were at this end of the plane, I'm getting you. Sorry. Oh, hello.
Is he gonna get away with this?
What was that? Who's this?
This is me again.
Why are you there? You're hiding someone.
Aw,
JJ, really?
gets touched in the same exact spot twice. Just right here on the noggin.
Harry's left. Ethan's left and Ethan.
Marco! Harry didn't reply.
Harry didn't reply. Honestly, I can't decide if am more impressed by the hiders or the seekers. Because doing anything like this blindfolded is just ridiculously hard with any obstacles. But there's like nowhere to hide.
Marco! Hello!
Where was Harry even hiding initially? Oh. Nah, he's got to check. He's got to. What? How's this so suspenseful? He had to hear him, right?
Marco? Hello.
Ethan did really well this time. Honestly, covering yourself with camouflage like that's probably the best bet since they can't see. That's such a good strategy. Like, just create... Oh, he touched him. You're out. He touched your leg. You're out. That's funny. That's really clever, though. Just, like, put 3 or 4 of those around yourself.
Alright JJ, round 3, you're going strong. You're not coming in last.
Yeah, okay.
What's the game plan?
I'm gonna try and switch up a bit. And stay at the same spot.
No one will expect you to do the same
Definitely
thing
I'm gonna do that.
3 times in a row.
Surely no.
Nope.
Yes.
You ready?
5D chess, baby. That's clever, too.
Oh, I need to go further down.
I feel like you'll be incredibly uncomfortable, though. I think he'll be safe,
Toby,
honestly.
Yeah?
Where do you think JJ's gonna be?
No one's
hiding?
gonna look back there.
Probably in the same spot.
Accurate. Oh, JJ should sit in the chair in front of Vic. That'd be perfect cover. Josh
Oh
again.
my god.
Right out the gate, man.
JJ's at the back of the plane again.
Oh, Simon's safe.
We're starting at the back, so if you're next to me and I'm walking past you, don't worry.
Don't worry. Oh, Jay just moves. He's just getting sick of it. Hey.
Alright, one down.
They're gonna get away with it? Don't move, dude. You're gonna ruin it.
So JJ was there. Con, are you hiding someone, Con? No, not that. Promise.
I don't care. He's on the screen at the same time as Ethan.
Swear on your life. Oh! Why did I have to go third? Oh my god! I can't
Just
go.
staying near the other crew members is such a better idea because they'll move around and make noise
I'm
for
turning
you.
Right now. I feel sick.
Go right, go right, go right.
Oh, mama.
Go right.
I hate thinking. I keep convincing myself they're not flying through the air thousands of feet high with thousands of feet to plummet. Bro,
It's me, it's me.
Simon is doing so well. What the heck? Like Tom Cruise in MI6 or whatever.
I hear you. I hear you.
Josh is out already.
Who's this? Me. Yeah. Hey, who just climbed over? Who climbed
They're just
over?
running interference so hard for everybody.
Ow. Sorry, I just punched someone in the dick. Someone's here. Are you sure? There's no one else. No, someone's here. Someone's here.
Back in the JJ spot. The JJ spot has had no luck. Why are you trying that, Harry? Aw, Simon.
Sorry. Oh, my brush. Sorry. Oh.
Just a nice little backstroke on the peen. Nice, Harry. See, JJ, it wasn't that hard. You just had to set your drinky poo down.
You found a flight attendant.
Oh shit, that's my bad. That could have been awkward. It's time to. Oh, my round's ended. Okay, wait. Okay. Is that it? Sorry. Oh my god.
Oh, you snitch. Second Ethan, you're a snitch.
Marco.
Aw, Vic's a good sport. He just wants to comply with the flight attendants.
Fucking polo, fucking polo. Fucking polo. Where's Marco? Polo. Marco.
Where's Harry? Oh, there. The.
Wait, everyone else stop shouting. Who's on? Is that Marco? Fuck you, Harry.
Big ass private jet. Bro, they have so many people on that video or on that plane. That's ridiculous. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Honestly, I just kept pretending they weren't on a plane. That's the only way I dealt with my anxiety. Whenever they did those shots out the portholes, I was like, oh. That being said, thank y'all for watching. I'm Wesley. Subscribe down for more. Subscribe down below for more reactions. I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful day. I will see you next time. Take care of yourself, and I'm